Now, over the past 1 to 2 years, we have seen Amazon enforcing more guidelines to create a better customer experience. In this video, I'll be explaining their newest guideline and how you can keep your account safe. So in order to find out more about what's going on, you need to go into your KDP account, then click on Community, then look over to this section here under Announcements. What we want to click on is Identity Verification for KDP. And it's here that we can find out much more about the identity verification for KDP. And we'll read a little bit of the first paragraph. So it says KDP is committed to providing legitimate authors and publishers with a trustworthy, enjoyable publishing experience. In order to protect that experience, we're introducing identity verification for KDP. Beginning today, KDP authors and publishers may be prompted to submit a photo of their government-issued identification, which will match against their current account information. And I completely understand why Amazon are making this move. Unfortunately, there's still many authors out there abuse Amazon's guidelines. They create several KDP accounts. They publish under copyright and trademark terms, and some even try to publish and pretend to be reputable authors. So this is a good action for Amazon to take. Getting rid of all the terrible books on Amazon will only help serving the better books get seen and provide a much better customer experience. So carrying on, it says when that match is confirmed, those publishers will be able to proceed using their KDP account as normal. And if you are worried about what they are going to do with your documents, it does confirm here that all identity documents are deleted after the ID verification process is complete, which is good to know. Now, so the next question you might be wondering is kind of when will this happen or when will it be in place? And it does say here that at this time, only some publishers will be prompted to complete identity verification, and identity verification will expand to more authors over time. So what will happen when it is your turn is that you will be prompted to verify your identity via an identity verification required account banner and an email notification. And then once prompted, you will be asked to respond by the date that is in the email and account banner. So make sure that you are checking your email account often and that you do take action by the date that they ask for. However, if you are unable to verify your identity, then it does state here that if a publisher is unable to verify their identity, they may pursue our appeals process. If we are not able to verify a publisher's identity, we may close their KDP account and remove their titles from sale, which does sound very harsh, but we are publishing on Amazon's platform, so they can really do what they want. But if you are a legitimate publisher and you do have verification ID, then there should not be any issues. So even moving forward, a good question to think about is if we are still able to publish under a pen name / pseudonym, which is something that I do. I don't publish under my actual name. So this could be a concern, but it states here that you can continue to use a pen name or pseudonym as your author name to publish your books on KDP, as is already the case under KDP terms and condition. You are required to use your legal name on the Your Identity page in your KDP account, which we will use to verify your identity and issue your payments and tax forms correctly. So that reduces your worry. And if your account is under a business entity, then it states here that for corporations and non-individual entities, for example, LLC or agency, you'll enter the details of an authorized representative of your business within a separate account page called Your Identity. This step is only required if you are asked to complete identity verification and can be completed at that time. So for me, it's a step in the right direction. And as it says here, identity verification will reduce abuse by bad actors, which will have a positive impact on the customer's book buying experience. So the best way to act on this is just make sure that you are consistently checking your emails. Any email that you get from Amazon, make sure that you take swift action with, and verify your identity by the date that they've stated. So let me know your thoughts on the identity verification in the comments, and thanks for watching another video.